In this video, we are going to take a look at the black and white image adjustments that you can do. So go up and click on Image Adjustments and then go down to black and white. You can see that the shortcut key here is Alt-Shift-Control-B or Option-Shift-Command-B on macOS. So when we select this, this is going to allow us to adjust the image that's whites and blacks and lights and darknesses based on their colors. So for instance, we have this blue sky. We know the sky is blue, and we can adjust how black or gray or white we want that to be by adjusting the slider. So as we begin moving this down, it'll actually make that sky darker, and as we move it up, it'll make it brighter. So this is a great way to come in here and get a nice looking black or white image, and then you can hit OK and it'll save that out for you. However, another great tool for this is to make adjustments and then use layers and blending modes to actually adjust these later on. So we'll get into that a little bit later, but basically I could make this darker and then mix this in back with the original image and get some really cool looking effects. Same thing with all these other colors here. So for the greens, we know that there's a lot of green in this image. We can make them brighter, or we can darken up those greens and see where they're at. There's also some presets here, so you can see we have a blue filter to get all those blues in there. We can make the whole thing darker. Green filter. We have an infrared filter, which is kind of cool if you want that type of look that you can mix in later on. We have some settings for saving and loading presets. So if you want to save any of your own presets, you can do that. Again, you can auto calculate. You can preview this on and off if you would like. And then at the bottom, we have another thing that is the tint option. And this is really cool because we can tint the whole image any color that we like. So this is another way to go about getting something like a sepia filter. So if we went to maybe like an orange and we adjusted the saturation, you could see that the changes that would make here using that tint. And then you can come up here and again adjust these individually and get the exact kind of look that you're going for. So the black and white gives us control over the black and white levels of your image, but we can adjust them on a per channel or a per color basis.